In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payments with Revolut Business. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create and send an invoice so your customers can pay you quickly and you can keep clean records of your sales. First, make sure you have an active merchant account in Revolut Business. That's important because invoicing runs through your merchant tools. With that in place, invoices become your clear professional way to tell a customer what they owe for the products or services you've provided. An invoice isn't just a request for money, it's an official record of a sale. It helps you track who bought what, when it was delivered, how much is due, and by which date. This makes bookkeeping easier and provides a paper trail your customers can trust. When you're ready to send an invoice, open Revolut Business and start from Home on the main menu. If you're on the web, click Merchant, then Online. If you're on mobile, tap Merchant, then the icon in the top right. From there, choose Invoices and then New Invoice. As soon as you open the new invoice screen, Revolut registers the invoice number permanently. That's great for audit trails, but it also means each number is reserved even if you don't end up sending it, so try to create invoices you intend to keep. Next, add or select the client you want to bill. If the client already exists in your contacts, pick them from the list. If not, you can add them here so their details are saved for next time. Now complete the invoice details. This typically includes line items, quantities, prices, taxes if applicable, the currency, and the due date. Be precise and clear. Good descriptions reduce back and forth, and correct tax settings prevent headaches later. Before you send, take a moment to review the invoice. Some elements, like your default invoice terms, numbering format, or tax settings may only be adjustable in invoice settings, not directly on the invoice. If something structural looks off, back out and update your settings first so future invoices follow the right template. If everything looks correct, select Send. Your customer will receive the invoice and the payment instructions so they know exactly how to settle up. You can also edit unpaid invoices or invoice drafts if you notice a typo or need to adjust a detail. Just remember that once an invoice is paid, your ability to change it will be limited to keep your records accurate. And that's it. Create, review, and send, all from Revolut Business for fast professional payment collection.